Hi, and welcome back to the garden. Today is Saturday, October 23rd. You know what that means. A quick review, and then we're going to go to you and see what's going on in your garden.
I believe we're going to wait on the volunteer turmeric, the other turmeric that we planted, until the leaves die completely back.
I hope it doesn't frost too soon. This super hot is just loaded with flowers. Hey Riley, let's go take a look at some of our friends' gardens. No, let's see what we got. Oh, now that's good. What I got for you?
I think Russell sold on the deep mulch. He planted his peppers and left them go. He didn't water them once this year. That's a great harvest. Thank you for your testimony and for sharing this harvest with us. That is awesome. Vivian's sweet potato slips are just about to break her glass. Think they're ready to be separated or put into new containers. Jim's container garden in Missouri is still going strong. He just had to see what was in that sweet potato sack. That's a pretty good haul. Thank you, and keep us posted as you harvest the rest of your sweet potatoes.
Riley, weren't those great?
Look at that, our second go around of cowpeas.
Hey, let's take a look at a few more.
Jeremy's small raised garden is still producing well. Thank you for the update. Riley likes those carrots. Succession planting in Texas. Valerie's container garden is still bursting with goodness. Round 4 is on its way. Valerie, this is just great. Thank you for sharing. Nora is almost ready for the fall, yet again not. Nora, thank you for thinking of us and sharing the color of your landscape as we get close to the first frost. It's bittersweet, but we sure love this, and we look forward to seeing what you're going to do next spring.
Leave a comment down below and let everybody know how much you appreciate them sharing what's going on in their gardens. Riley, isn't that, it's almost as good as a carrot out of the garden, isn't it? Isn't it?
You know, when you let your carrots go to seed, you get a patch of volunteer carrots.
Let's take a look at a few more.
It's late October in northeast Oklahoma. Walter wanted to show what you can do with a little creative trellising and some pruning. Look at the quantity of fruit you have and the size of those tomatoes. That is fantastic, Walter. Thank you. Larry and his helper ran out and grabbed a few tidbits from their container garden on the East Coast today. Thank you. This is awesome. Art, those super hots look like they're enjoying the cooler weather. Can anybody say habanero jelly? Thank you, Art.
Come on. Okay. I guess we're gonna have to wait for him to hit that like button. It really does help me bring more content just like this to you.
The beets in our newest cold frame garden are coming up really nicely. Hopefully we've got just a little time before we need to button up this cold frame. And our zucchini is thriving since we've outlasted our squash bug season. And we've got another zucchini down in there. Our first fall crop that we were going to have in the cold frame is growing well enough we may have to harvest this and plant a third. We'll see what we get. Our remaining straw bale still has nice carrots and lettuce growing in there. And we've got some leeks we're going to harvest here pretty quick. turmeric flower is still blooming. I'm not sure exactly how to harvest seeds off of that. If you can tell me how to harvest seeds out of a turmeric flower, please leave it in the comments section below.
I haven't sent out the lotus seeds yet. I thought that might be a really nice little project we could all do together. See if we can't get them all sprouted and growing in the spring. I have a few left. If anybody's interested, just email me at waylandsmalley5@gmail.com. The address is in the description box below. He is tearing that up. It really is turning into fall. Some of the stuff in the garden is winding down. Some of the stuff in the garden is coming on.
Where I hung the cilantro on the fence to dry, it dropped some seeds. We got cilantro. Bees are loving our basil.
The tomatoes, they definitely don't like the cool mornings and all the dew that they're getting on them, but they're still loaded with fruit. Guess me and Riley are going to be out here picking beans and tomatoes over the next couple days. I do want to thank you for stopping by the garden, doing a little tour and seeing what our friends and neighbors are up to. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you.
Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.